Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some new succulents that I purchased, but also some new planters. Like this planter here, this little snail I got at the 99-cent store. I thought he was just so cute I couldn't resist him. Now the plant I already had, it's a Huertia variegata zebra plant, and it's the perfect spot for him in this little snail. Really cute. And this plant here is a Euphorbia and a Lactea Tanzania zipper plant. That's a mouthful. And this one I was so happy to get because I've been looking for it for a while, and I got very lucky that it had a couple of pups in it also. This planter though I've had for a little while, and I got that at the Goodwill store. Did have to drain a hole in it, but it looks really good here. This is probably my favorite purchase this last week. This is a Euphorbia Lactea variegata bones, and it's just such a beautiful plant. It did already come potted in this Talavera pot. You probably saw it in my last video where I visited Desert Horizon Nurseries. That's where I got it. I just couldn't resist it. It was a pot that I love, plus with a plant that I was looking for, so it was a perfect combination. This next one here is part of the mimicry family. It's Titanopsis calcareum, and it's just a little guy, but I'm hoping that he will really grow into a nice clump of these rosettes with those flattened leaves. It looks wonderful in this little ceramic pot that I got at the 99-cent store. This next one is also part of the mimicry family. It looks very similar to that previous one. It's the Aleonopsis malherbii. It's a mouthful too. And very similar in the sense that it has the tight rosettes with the flattened leaves, but they have those little bumps on the ends and just a little bit higher form. The last one I'm sharing with you is a Gasteria glomerata oxtongue, and I got it from Mountain Crest Gardens. Again, another one I've been looking for, have not been able to find in my local nurseries. I love the look of this and the texture of it, and I'm so glad that it had about 3 or 4 pups already on it, so it's one that I'm going to be propagating probably pretty soon. Well, those are all the new succulents and planters in my collection, friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any of these succulents also. Till next time, have a blessed day.